Welcome to Cultural Entertainment TV, your ultimate destination for diving deep into the vibrant tapestry of global cultures, timeless traditions, heartfelt festivals, and the joyful moments that bring humanity together across borders and beliefs. Assalamu alaikum, wonderful viewers, and a warm, heartfelt Eid Mubarak in advance. We're excited to bring you this even more detailed preview of Eid al-Fitr 2026, the dazzling festival of breaking the fast, the triumphant and much anticipated conclusion to the holy month of Ramadan. After approximately 29 or 30 days of dedicated dawn to dusk fasting, Psalm, intensified worship through voluntary night prayers, Taraweeh and Tahajjud, heartfelt Quran recitation, self-reflection, increased acts of charity, sadaqah, patience, and spiritual growth, Muslims around the globe come together in overwhelming gratitude to Allah for the opportunity to have completed this sacred month. Eid al-Fitr isn't just an end to fasting, it's a celebration of spiritual renewal, forgiveness, community solidarity, and divine mercy. Based on the latest astronomical calculations and projections available as of early 2026, the new crescent moon, Hilal, of Shawwal 1447, is expected to become visible on the evening of Thursday, March 19, 2026, following the astronomical new moon conjunction at approximately 1:23 Universal Time that day. This favorable visibility, with good elongation and altitude in many regions, including parts of the Middle East, Europe, Africa, North America, and beyond, points strongly toward Friday, March 20th, 2026, as the first day of Eid al-Fitr in most countries. However, as is traditional, the exact date will be confirmed by local moon sighting committees, religious authorities, or official announcements on the evening of March 19th. In some areas, if the crescent isn't sighted due to weather or other factors, Eid may shift to Saturday, March 21st. So keep your eyes on rooftops, mosques, apps, local news, or trusted Islamic organizations for the official declaration. This age-old practice keeps the excitement and communal spirit alive right up to the moment. The preparations for Eid begin the night before, often called Chaand Raat, moon night, in many South Asian communities, where families shop for last-minute gifts, apply henna, mehndi, designs on hands and feet, especially popular among women and girls, and children buzz with anticipation. On Eid morning itself, the day starts early with acts of purification, performing Ghusl, a full ritual ablution, wearing one's best, and ideally new, clothes to symbolize renewal, purity, and equality before Allah. Men often don crisp thobes, kurtas, sherwanis, or suits, while women choose beautiful abayas, salwar kameez, saris, kaftans, or dresses, many adorned with intricate embroidery or sparkling details. Perfume or Attire is applied, and a light breakfast of dates or something simple might be had before heading out. The centerpiece of Eid is the Eid prayer, Salat al-Eid, held in large congregations at mosques, expansive open prayer grounds, Eidgah or musalla, parks, stadiums, or even university campuses to accommodate massive crowds. This special 2-rak'ah prayer features extra takbirs, Allahu Akbar declarations, recited in unison, creating a powerful wave of praise and thanks to God. No adhan is called to distinguish it from regular prayers, and it's followed by a khutbah, sermon, delivered by the imam. The sermon typically recaps Ramadan's lessons, self-control, empathy, devotion, encourages ongoing good deeds, stresses forgiveness toward others, and highlights the importance of supporting the community, especially the needy. A key pillar of Eid is Zakat al-Fitr, Fitrana, the obligatory charity given by every capable Muslim before the Eid prayer. Calculated as the equivalent of 1 meal's worth of food per person in the household, often rice, wheat, dates, or cash value, it's distributed to the poor so they too can partake in the feast and festivities. This act ensures no one is left out, perfectly embodying Islam's core values of justice, compassion, and brotherhood. With prayers complete, the joy explodes. Greetings ring out everywhere, Eid Mubarak, Blessed Eid, Eid Saeed, Happy Eid, or the heartfelt Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum. May Allah accept our and your deeds. Hugs, cheek kisses, and smiles abound as families reunite. Then comes the feasting, Eid's well-earned reward after a month without daytime food. Known affectionately as the Sweet Eid or Sugar Festival, tables are laden with an incredible array of regional specialties. In the Middle East and Gulf countries, golden mamoul cookies filled with dates, walnuts, or pistachios and powdered with sugar, crispy baklava dripping with honey and nuts, creamy kunafa with cheese and syrup, Qadayef stuffed pancakes, savory lamb mansaf or spiced kabsa rice with chicken or meat, South Asia, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, rich sheer kurma, vermicelli milk pudding with dates, almonds, cashews, raisins, and cardamom, flavorful biryani, Sikh kebabs, samosas, sheer biryani, and sweet halwa or jalebi, Turkey, Balkans, and Central Asia, layered baklava and goulash desserts, savory burek pastries, stuffed dolma, grilled meats, and pilaf dishes, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, ketupat rice dumplings wrapped in palm leaves, rendang, tender spicy beef simmered in coconut, opor ayam chicken curry, lemang glutinous rice, and vibrant kui sweets in every color. Africa, Nigeria, Senegal, Morocco, East Africa. Jollof rice or tiabudien, spicy tagine, fufu with stews, chin-chin snacks, and sweet treats like chin-chin or akara paired with dates and pastries. Children light up when receiving Eidi, envelopes of cash, toys, chocolates, or small gifts from elders, uncles, aunts, and family friends. A tradition that spreads happiness and teaches generosity. Eid often spans 3 official days in many Muslim-majority countries, turning into extended public holidays. Homes transform into welcoming hubs with open house visits. Relatives and friends make the rounds, sharing elaborate meals, chai or kawa, laughter, old stories, and reconciliation. Streets burst with life, bustling markets for new outfits and sweets, henna stalls, balloon vendors, fun fairs, and in some places, fireworks displays or community parades. Homes are decorated with twinkling fairy lights, crescent and star banners, fresh flowers, colorful rangoli at doorsteps, and fragrant incense. Eid's deeper essence shines through. Gratitude for blessings received, empathy for those struggling, forgiveness of grudges, strengthening family and community ties, and inclusivity. Many families invite neighbors of all faiths to share food and joy, building bridges of understanding. As Eid al-Fitr 2026 approaches, likely on that beautiful Friday, March 20th, let's hold on to Ramadan's lessons of kindness, discipline, and devotion while embracing this season of celebration. May it fill your life with peace, abundant blessings, good health, delicious moments, and unbreakable bonds with loved ones. To everyone preparing, traveling, or simply cherishing memories of past Eids, we wish you the most blessed, joyful, and heartwarming Eid ever. Eid Mubarak to you, your family, and the entire Ummah. If this expanded preview sparked excitement or nostalgia, please show some love by hitting that like button. Subscribe to Cultural Entertainment TV right now for more immersive journeys into festivals, cultural gems, traditions, and stories from every corner of our beautiful world. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you catch every new upload. Drop a comment below. What's your all-time favorite Eid dish, family ritual, or cherished memory? We love reading your stories and often reply. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for spending this time with us. Stay blessed, keep spreading positivity and joy, and we'll meet again in the next video. Eid Mubarak once more. See you soon.